Today, let's take a quick look at the Xiaomi Truclean W30 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum. The Xiaomi Truclean W30 Pro is an integrated vacuuming, mopping, and brush cleaning. Tackles stubborn wet and dry stains quickly. It has 7 incredible features. 1. Fresh, odor-free cleaning. 2. Quick removal of particles and stubborn stains. 3. Anti-tangle roller brush for minimal maintenance. 4. Floors dry quickly with less slippery surfaces. 5. High temperature odor removing. 6. 40-minute long battery life and 180-degree flexible live flat cleaning. 7. Quiet operation and HEPA/allergy filtration with 99.99% stain removal efficiency. One of its biggest highlights is 18,000 Pascal suction power, combined with a high-speed roller that scrubs up to 450 times per minute. Overall, Xiaomi Truclean W30 Pro is a versatile, wet and dry cordless vacuum with strong suction with combined wet/dry cleaning, powerful quality, and convenient all-in-one floor cleaning.